Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Kawaii Tangerine using Fimo air drying clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the air drying clay and mold it into a flat circle shape. After the clay was dry, I painted it with white and then orange acrylic paint. Next, you can add some details. I painted the small red dots on the tangerine surface. You can paint the stem green. For eyes and mouth, I used white and brown color. If you want your tangerine to have cheeks, you can use pink for that. When the color is completely dry, you can add a few layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. I added 2 coats of varnish and glued the magnet on the back of the figurine. This is how my finished Kawaii Tangerine looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!